If only I could rest. Where was I? Yes, the theater. So, he didn't believe in a theater. Actually, he laughed at my dreams, and little by little I stopped believing in them too. I lost heart. And then the constant fear for the baby, and I became trivial and commonplace. Didn't know how to move properly or how to use my hands or my voice, and you can't believe what it's like to be on stage and know that your acting is bad, Kostya. So I am the seagull. Where was I? Yes, the theater. So, I'm not like that anymore. I guess I'm a real actress now. I enjoy acting. I'm proud of it. The stage, it intoxicates me, and when I'm up there, I feel beautiful. Now that I'm here, I just walk. I walk for hours and then just thinking, and I realize now, Kostya, I finally understood that in our business, whether we're actors or writers, doesn't matter. It's not about the fame. It's not about the glory or the money. It's about none of the things I thought it was. But to endure, learn how to bear your cross and the faith. I have faith now. It's not so bad anymore. So she did bring him with her. It doesn't matter. When you see him, Trigorin, don't tell him about any of this. I love him. I love him even more than before. Subject for a short story, and I love it. Guess I'm a seagull after all. Do you remember how beautiful things were back then? Costume. When we thought life would be bright and shining and joyful. And the feelings. It just grew. Like delicate flowers. Do you remember? I better go. When I'm a great actress, you come and see me act. Promise.